Okay, guys and gals, so this battery, the Dyson battery, went bad. Couldn't use it no more. So I was about ready to throw this thing out, order another battery. The battery was like $43. So instead, I got an adapter for my Ryobis. I got 4 Ryobi batteries that I already own. And I got a charger plus one more. So 3 screws, one there, and the other one's back here at the very back. You get this adapter online for $23. Works like a champ. Anytime you want to use it, you just switch it out. Okay? Switch it out for the next battery. Oh, that one's not charged. Sorry, that one's not charged. The beautiful thing is about this is that I already own these batteries. Okay? So instead of having the wall mount, needing a wall mount for this, I can bring these camping with me too. I can bring them in the rig. I can bring them in the RV. And I've got a bunch of batteries to go in it. So if you're looking to convert or your batteries died down, guys, I highly recommend it. Look it up on Amazon. $23. They do Ryobi. They do all kinds of different batteries. Hope this helps.